Y'all know the vibes. It is Smooth Life time. We are back with another video today, you guys. We are back with a banger today, y'all. How my Smooth Life has been? Y'all been good? Yeah, me too. As y'all can see by the title of the video, we're gonna be comparing my exhaust system that I've had before, my setups, and what I have right now. And I'm not gonna lie, I had some pretty wild stuff before, and I got some pretty tame stuff now. So let me know in the comments after y'all hear all this stuff which ones y'all like the most. But we are gonna start off with comparing what I had before, which you see my ZL1 is a little dirty. It rained on me today, but if you're new, you have a 10-speed ZL1, Bolt-On E85, kind of quick. But before I had this setup, I had a cat delete and an AWE track catback system. So it was catless, mufferless, no resonators. It was just a fully straight pipe car. It had the stock shorties on it, the stock manifolds, but it was just that to no cats. I took both my cats off primary and secondary to AW track catback system. So that was insanely loud, and that was really ignorant and retarded. Oh, I don't know if I'm getting trouble for that word, but it was just insanely sick, you guys. Like, it sounded so nasty. Now I have headers, which I also have catless, so I don't have any cats either, but I put my stock muffler back on, so it's not too ghetto, and it sounds crisper, more refined. So we're gonna do a comparison between those two setups I had on my car. You know, first, if you show you the loud stuff, which is actually, I did my other stuff on the same street, so it shouldn't be too crazy. But we're gonna go ahead and roll the first set of stuff. So I have videos from me on the dyno and like stuff from dyno racing, and I'm gonna show you talk about some performance gains and stuff I got from doing the headers and other stuff. I'm gonna show you guys, like, it's crazy, bro, the difference. But let's go ahead and get right into it, you guys. just now with the burble the little pop tune I asked for, bro. It gives the car so much character. It sounds freaking great, bro. Like it's just like I don't know, man. But hopefully you guys could have heard the downshifts me going this way. But I don't know. Tell me which sound setup do you guys like the most? You like the ghetto, fully straight pipe, race car on the track sound, or do you like the more refined with the muffler, with the headers? It's a little higher pitch, but it still sounds great and sounds mean. Bro, honestly, I can't make up my mind. Well, yeah, I can't. Come on, man. We know we going with the headers and the muffler, bro. Stop playing. Like, we already know what sounded best. Even all my friends said it sounds a lot better. Before, the car was stupidly loud. Like, when I say insane, like, it was crazy, bro. So, but damn, the motherfucker, even though it's dirty, it still look clean type shit. Make sure y'all can see. Even though it's dirty, it still look clean type shit, you feel me? But, bro, hopefully I didn't awake any neighbors and disturb anybody that lives in these houses over these cornfields, bro. I done heard too many noise over there. It didn't probably scare me. But it's the daytime, so I ain't gonna worry about nothing jumping out and grabbing me, you feel me? And if so, y'all gonna fight for me, right? Y'all gonna reach through the screen and fight for me. I hope so. But yeah, see the little setup we got with the GoPro type shit. But your boy, man, shoot. That's honestly it for this exhaust video. Hopefully, you guys stay tuned. I will do, because it's been raining, I will do a video with the R888s in the rain, because it has been raining pretty a good amount of time. You see my car is ready from it raining. So, see how good these R888s do, these R888Rs do in the rain. Why can't I talk? Let's see how good these R888s do in the rain. You feel me? Nothing crazy, but a little slight drizzle on the wet ground. Nothing too crazy, you feel me? No snow, though. No snow, no ice. We're not going to do that. I don't even want to go through that with this car. But thank you guys for watching this. You watch this full video, man. Make sure you comment below and let me know which exhaust setup you like the best. Some people like the crazy stuff. Some people like the more refined, less super track type stuff, like a drag car or race car. I like the race car stuff. So, but let me know what y'all think is better. Get out here before they call the cops on you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, join the Smooth Lifer gang, hit that sub button. There's a bug. Trying to interrupt y'all. Hit that sub button. Hit that bell to get a notification every time I drop a banger, you guys. Anything else y'all want to see? Let me know in the comments. Anything y'all want to know, let me know in the comments. I'll do whatever y'all want. But Smooth Life Ty is out.